Eddy is one of the important research objects in ocean simulation. At present, it is challenging to obtain small-scale data under the structural characteristics and time series large-scale flow field data. To solve this challenge, we design an analysis system based on in situ framework. The system can help experts track and analyze the evolution of ocean eddies, as well as statistical and interactive analysis of regional eddies. Our visualization system adopts a top-down design and has two main parts: local eddy evolution tracking and regional ocean eddy distribution visualization. These two parts support ocean eddy analysis at different scales and can be switched between each other. We can select the desired region and date to observe a high-precision streamline map of that region. High-precision streamline maps are generated by an in situ simulation program and support zooming to explore streamline information in regions of interest. In addition, the system displays the eddy generation and demise of the region with monthly changes, eddy radius distribution, eddy velocity distribution, eddy distance, eddy position distribution and eddy life cycle distribution through graphs. According to the distribution map, the system also sets a narrative description text corresponding to the comparison event, which is used to select the visualization results of a specific comparison event for interaction and exploration as required. By switching views, finer-grained eddy tracking and exploration in local sea areas can be performed. We can select a specific node and observe the details of that eddy, along with an image of the local streamlines at the corresponding time. For example, from the streamline diagram, we can see that in the eddy we selected, on the fourth day, the streamline has not yet formed a eddy structure, but some streamlines have shown different flow trends. On the fifth day, the eddy basically began to split, and the central core of the new eddy began to form. By the sixth day, the split was basically complete. We can also clearly see this splitting event in the radius statistic graph. If you are interested in our work, welcome to read our paper.